Hello boys, welcome back to another important session of video tutorials, and this session is meant for class 12th biology students as well as computer science students, and this is also meant for 14th July 2020. And in this session we are going to discuss about various questions that have come in previous years in your UPSC NDA exam. And last session we covered around 20 questions, and in this session I am going to cover another 25 questions. So starting with if you remember, starting with 20 up to 20 we have finished. Now let's go to question number 21. Muscle fatigue, tiredness, is due to the accumulation of which of the following? Cholesterol, lactic acid, lipoic acid, triglycerides. All of you know it's lactic acid. Lactic acid will make muscle to constrict and get fatigue. And question 22. Living things are grouped into subgroups like plant kingdom, animal kingdom. Which one of the following is now correct in animal kingdom? So all of us know animals cannot make their own food. And question 23. Who among the following discovered the antibiotic producing fungus from Penicillium genus? Penicillium is a fungus and penicillin is the antibiotic that is produced, and thanks to Sir Alexander Fleming. And 24. Which one of the following is not an example of eukaryotic? Eu means clear, karyon means nucleus. So an organism in which nucleus is very clear, nuclear material like DNA, RNA is very clear, such an organism is eukaryotic. So question number 24, the answer is B, bacteria. Bacteria is a prokaryotic. Pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. Bacteria is a prokaryotic organism. Question number 25. Which one of the following vitamins is synthesized in our own skin? Of course, even compared to boys, no, it's vitamin D. And question number 26. Which one of the following is the correct sequence about various levels of organization in a biosphere, and from smaller to higher? If you see D, option D, it starts with organism. Many organisms will join and form populations, and the populations will interact with abiotic factors and make an ecosystem, and many ecosystems join together and make a bigger ecosystem called biosphere. So answer is D. In question 27, in blood, platelets are required for. So function of platelets, you know, compared to boys particularly, blood is made up of 3 solid materials and 1 liquid material. Solid materials RBC, WBC, platelets, and the liquid is plasma. So here the question is function of platelets, and the function of platelets is blood clotting. It initiates blood clotting. So question 27, it is answer is C. And question 28. Which one of the following is not a site of action in human body for the malarial parasite Plasmodium? If you recollect, in today's class only we were talking about the Plasmodium parasite and Sir Ronald Ross cycle, and you know that the question is not, whereas what it affects is liver and RBC, and when it goes further, even brain gets damaged. So here left out answer is kidney is the one. And 29th, of course kidney gets affected, and brain, the brain is the answer. 28 D. And 29, in Egypt ancient mummies can be found to have their arteries intact, means no disturbance, due to well preserved. Of course there is a protein called elastin, and the elastin is present in elastic fibers, so that makes the mummies to be having the intact arteries. So 29 answer C, elastic fiber. And 30 and 31 different pattern of questions. There will be 2 statements, statement 1 and statement 2, and we have to see whether statement 1 is correct alone or statement 2 alone correct, and both the statements are correct, one is not interconnected, like that. So we have to see various options. Now let's go to the question 30. Amoeba is unicellular organism and a single cell performs all functions of living organisms. All of us know it is unicellular organism, amoeba, and the cell is the fundamental unit of living organisms. So since it is fundamental unit of organism, it performs all the functions. So 30th, we say both the statements are individually true. This is correct, and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So A is the answer. And 31, statement 1, growth of plants is smooth with a complete fertilizer. Yes, complete fertilizer should be there. Statement 2, a complete fertilizer always contains NPK. It may not be, sometimes it may not be NPK. So we say in 31, I think we can go statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. So C is the option. And 32, growth and repair of damaged tissue involves mitotic diffusion, mitosis. And which of the following is not a function of liver? That is absorption of food and excess water, because liver performs this, hence the left out option is D, and this is called ruling out the wrong ones. And then we go to 33, we have completed, it is repetition. 34, which of the following is not part of the female reproductive system? Fallopian tube, of course, part of it, and cervix is part of it, vagina is part of it. What is not part of it? Urethra, that's urinary system. So 34 is C. And 35, which one of the following animals is cold-blooded? Here, of course, straight away we can say shark, because dolphin, whale, porpoise, these are hot-blooded ones. And hot-blooded ones means like us, our body temperature is fixed, whereas cold-blooded, the body temperature keeps on fluctuating. It gets adjusted with the existing environment. 36, which one among the following is a plant hormone? Of course, insulin is ours, thyroxine is produced by our body, estrogen is secreted in our body. Animals, left out is gibberellin. So 36 is gibberellin. And 37, which one of the following cell organelles? What is cell organelle? Small parts present inside the cell is absent in animal cell. Of course, you know straight away cell wall, because cell membrane is present in both. Endoplasmic reticulum will be there, mitochondria will be there, whereas in animal cell wall will not be there, because in plant cell only cell wall will be there. And 38, consider the following statements. Carbohydrates are the only source of energy to humans, and fats give maximum energy on oxidation. Yeah, fats will give, all of us know, maximum energy. And carbohydrates are not the only source of energy, because others also give. So we can say for 38, B is the answer. The statements will be there. And 39, energy is required for maintenance of life. It is obtained by a process called metabolism, breaking and making of things. So bigger complex ones will be broken, like proteins are broken down into amino acids, energy is released, and smaller ones, amino acids joined together to make protein, again energy is released. So catabolism and anabolism, both together metabolism. Phagocytosis can't, respiration not, decomposition not. 40th, all life forms contain molecules of life. Molecules of life, of course, carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acid. Nucleic acid means DNA and RNA. So all these are must for life. Carbohydrate, energy giving, proteins, building materials, nucleic acids, secrets. So I should feel 40th is D. 41, which one of the following is the smallest unit showing the properties of life, such as the capacity for metabolism, response to environment, growth and reproduction? Now here, gene, chromosome, nucleus, cell. So cell I feel is the answer, because it undergoes metabolism, it responds to environment, it grows, and of course cell reproduces. And 42, gametophytes of sexually reproducing flowering plants, that is angiosperms. He is talking of angiosperms, flowering plants. In that, gametophytes. Gametophyte is a structure which bears gametes. Gametes are reproductive cells. Reproductive cells like pollen grain and ovum. Since pollen grain and ovum are haploid, half of the chromosomes will be there, but the gametophyte will be having full, so it has to be diploid. B is the answer. And 43, the seeds of flowering plants are made up of, now we are talking of seed. What is a seed? We say developed ovule is a seed, whereas ovary, since we are talking of ovary is fruit. Developed ovary is called fruit. And since the seed is a ovule, developed ovule, it contains inside the seed, all of us know, embryo will be there, fat resource will be there, and outer coat will be there. Hence, B should be the answer. And 44, which endocrine gland requires iodine to synthesize in a particular hormone whose deficiency may cause goiter? And all of us know that it is thyroid gland, thyroxine. Thyroxine, iodine will be present. So thyroid gland is the one. Come to the last one. Which one of the following is not part of the nerves? Axon is the tail of the neuron, and connective tissue, of course, will keep it pending. Schwann cells are part of that nerves, and smooth muscles are effector organs. Hence, not related will be B, connective tissue. So this way of answering the questions is called ruling out the wrong ones and finally narrowing down to the correct answer. So I have given you almost 45 questions from previous year's questions. Please keep on doing lot of exercises, and I have given you topics already in our group. I have posted, and just see the topics and related questions, and your target should be getting 44 out of 44 from biology section.